This morning you will hear some 5th and 8th grade students share essays about what Thanksgiving means to them. We will also sing together and hear the Renaissance Choir. Now I'd like to share my essay with all of you. What does Thanksgiving mean to me? To me, Thanksgiving means family. It means showing someone how much you care about them.
This year, I am thankful for my parents who support me and give me the life that I have. I am thankful for my teachers who help me in school. I am thankful.
To me, Thanksgiving is a holiday when families come together and hang out.
In the end, Thanksgiving is a holiday to appreciate all the things we have, toys, food, and family. Thank you.
Etc. The best part is when you see all the food laid on the table and think of all the work that was put into this meal made just for you. We are also
looking at all of you here today is reason enough to be grateful. And seeing all your leaves on our tree, and in the next couple weeks, stopping to take time to read the statements, and it will be a great reminder for us all in the upcoming weeks to take time out of our busy day and schedules and reflect on all the things that we have. So,
Mrs. Rafala, from all of us to you, we could not be more proud to have you standing by us as we citizens, through acts great and small, work together to uphold this great nation. Please accept our most heartfelt congratulations on your citizenship.
Thank you to all of you who work hard to bring your best self to school every day. You know, I'm so proud of you and so glad to be here when you are trying your hardest and taking care of each other. And that's the definition of, remember,